Hey, good morning, West Michigan. We are taking a live look over South Haven now. Beautiful view there. Much different than what we saw last hour, Terry.
That's right, yeah, starting to lighten things up just a little bit, and we're starting to really see evidence of the impact of that southwesterly wind. The wave heights along the lakeshore will be on the increase today, and as a result, we'll have an elevated risk of rip currents, especially those beaches that are south of the southern-facing piers and breakwater. So keep that in mind if you're heading to the lakeshore. In the meantime, starting out this morning with a little bit of a haze in the air. Boy, it is just so muggy and so humid outside. We can see some of that low-level moisture. Definitely looking at great driving conditions, at least for now, downtown Grand Rapids, US 131. As we check out what we're expecting for today, it looks as though we will see those showers and thunderstorms this morning, continuing to weaken as they press off to the east. So we did have some locally heavy rain from Kalamazoo and Battle Creek over toward the Jackson area, and that area of active weather is now moving eastward. So not really concerned about much in the way of active weather right now in most places, but we are watching carefully this big area of storms off to our north and west that's associated with quite a dynamic storm system, and that will energize some strong to perhaps severe thunderstorms here in West Michigan later this afternoon into the early evening hours. So we're tracking widespread heat and humidity building in, high temps in the mid to perhaps upper 80s. An isolated shower or thunderstorm isn't impossible over the next couple of hours, but it really looks like the widespread showers and storms will come in late afternoon into the evening, and that's when we could be looking at severe weather. What are our chances for severe weather? Well, it's possible. I actually may tick this up into almost the next category. I would be really surprised if we don't at least have a few warnings issued in our area, just because the heat and humidity is really creating a lot of instability here. The greatest threat, heavy rain. We saw yesterday in Grand Rapids a record rain event. 2.65 inches of rain fell at the airport in a very short period of time, and that certainly could happen once again during the day today. Damaging winds, that would be a very strong bet with the stronger thunderstorms that develop. There's a low chance of some large hail and a low chance of tornadoes developing. The chances aren't zero, so we'll be watching that very carefully. And the best timing for severe weather, late afternoon into the early evening. So today we're looking at those temperatures this morning in the 70s, and as we check out the dew points, that's the big tell here. The dew points. You get dew points in the 70s and it just feels like a tropically humid air mass in place. And you can see by tomorrow and Monday, those dew points slip down to the 60s. So even though it's going to be really hot here with high temperatures approaching 90 degrees, we will be looking at those dew points or dropping back down into the low 60s, at least at a little more tolerable. Here's a look at the futurecast. As of 6 o'clock this evening, you will see those active areas of showers and storms beginning to erupt 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock. That's really when we have the best chance of the widespread severe thunderstorms coming through. And after that clears out, we've got hot, high pressure building in from the west. And what that's going to mean for us is a return to quiet conditions, but once again, looking at the hot air holding on. The risk area for severe weather here in the Great Lakes region is going to be a slight one, so we're at level 2 on the scale. Grand Haven, you can see the waves are already energized, and so we've got that small craft advisory and a beach hazard statement in effect from start to finish today, with those waves really starting to build. And then the 8-day forecast showing you lots of sunshine around and the next best chance of showers and storms holding off until midweek.